Okay, if you're watching this video, this is option C1. And what we have decided to do is, now that this has stopped dripping, I'm going to take the remaining mixture and put it into a beaker with some water to see what I can do. So I open up my filter paper, I use my beaker, pour that all out. Poppy seeds stuck on here, but that's okay. We have that. And now I can take the floating, my poppy seeds are no longer floating. They've been in water too long, and now they're waterlogged. That's not good. So what I have to do is I have to gently move them back and forth and pour off the water, and the poppy seeds go with. But it's really hard to get all the poppy seeds out. And then that leaves the sand and the iron here. So now I need to kind of dump all this stuff out, the sand and the iron. And I use my magnet. Let's see if it works on something wet. It does, but there's a whole lot of sand in with the iron filings. In fact, it kind of is really impossible to get all the sand out of the iron filings. There's a little bit of sand left over here, and my iron filings are kind of waterlogged and sandy. But that is an option as well. So I have sand, iron filings, some very wet poppy seeds that I can pour the water off of, and have some of these poppy seeds remaining. And then to get rid of the salt and water, I have to take this salt water, which was filtered through, and put it on my hot plate and make sure that's on nice and high, and watch that boil and evaporate the water off, leaving just the salt behind. But that takes about 20 minutes or so, so I'll attach another video showing you all that at the end.